At Autodesk, we envision a world where technology and creativity converge to shape the future of our built environment. In architecture, engineering, construction, and operations, innovation isn't just about the next project. It's about reimagining what's possible. For over a decade, we've invested in AI to elevate the efficiency and impact of AECO professionals. Autodesk AI is designed specifically for you. Whether you're creating resilient infrastructure, optimizing sustainable designs, or building affordable housing with prefabricated parts, you are the visionary driving progress and innovation in every project. Autodesk AI augments your creativity, automates tedious tasks, and provides predictive insights, helping you stay ahead of industry demands while embracing sustainability. With AI-powered tools like Forma's rapid analyses, Revit's generative design, and AutoCAD's automation, you can design, iterate, and build more efficiently and creatively. Today, Autodesk AI is already transforming urban development, making projects more efficient, innovative, and sustainable. It's supporting you in overcoming resource challenges and creating the buildings, infrastructure, and communities of the future. At Autodesk, we believe that when human ingenuity meets the power of artificial intelligence, together, we can accelerate making a better world for all.